Hey guys, there were two major changes made to Runway after the initial release itself. The first one was that generate up to 5 seconds of video and at a higher resolution and at 25 frames per second. So I'm just going to quickly try this new update. So all you have to do is select the file. For this, I'm going to take one of my own videos. I'm going to see the kind of results it generates. Initially, it was crashing a lot on the production, but now I think it's working fine. The video is uploaded, right? I'm basically just waving my hands around in the video to see how it looks. I'm going to choose one of the demo images here. This claymation, paper origami. Say claymation and see how it looks. Takes a few seconds to generate your video. You can see now I came from 22 seconds to 17 seconds. So wait until this is done. By the way, if you're interested in new tools in generative AI or just want to follow what's happening in generative AI, join our Discord channel. The link is in the description. Anywho, the video is now ready. Let's just quickly take a look. Wow, it's done a fantastic job in my opinion. It's done 5 seconds. But look at this. Yeah, so all of these moments come after 5 seconds, which is why I've now done it. Let's try one more video. Let's try generating one more of this, right? This time we'll try prompt. Netherworld, outer space, planets in the background. Let's try it. You can create more variations of the video. Run it. Also do pen and ink. You can see how it can process multiple of these. See how it can process multiple of these at the same time. Also going to do cyberpunk. So compared to earlier, the video is better quality for sure, and also is longer. So the updates I think have really helped. I only have 2 seconds worth of videos left now, so I'm not going to do any more. I don't know if these credits are renewed every month. There is no indication if these are, so you may just have to upgrade if you're looking to use more of Gen-1 after you exhaust the free ones. So you will be billed 15 per month with 625 credits, and I think it costs 14 credits per video. I think you can do approximately 44 video generations with the standard plan, 160 video generations with the pro plan as of right now. Okay, so this is the output for the prompt one. Not bad. Looks like some creature from the netherworld with the space background. Something that we wanted to generate. Next, I think I tried the pen and ink, and I don't think it's bad at all. It's a great generation overall. And finally, we tried the cyberpunk one. Yeah, this one's not too good because it's assuming that it's putting city on my face. So this one is not too good. But I think you understand now. So I hope this video helps, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.